GoTranscript is a well-known transcribing firm based in the United Kingdom. They hire freelance transcribers from all over the world as they have audio files in different languages. GoTranscript is for anyone who wants to make money typing out audios. No professional qualifications or expertise are necessary to begin transcribing. If you want to know how you can apply as a freelance transcriber at GoTranscript, then continue watching. GoTranscript's application has a simple process. All you have to do is follow these simple steps. Create an account. You may register with your email address, Google, or Facebook account. Carefully review the GoTranscript guidelines. The guidelines cover multiple sections that are equally necessary for passing the test and working on the platform thereafter. These are the following: instructions for beginners, descriptions of text formats, types of timestamping, major rules. Each of these sections will help you fully understand what a finished job should look like. The good thing about GoTranscript is they provide a few practice files. These are old test files that you can try out so that you can see how well you do in transcription. We highly encourage you to try the old tests first to see how well you do. You can find the shortcut keys at the lower portion of this page. There is no need to play and pause the audio because the audio is automatically paused while you're typing. Just make sure the pause while typing option is ticked. When you're ready, you can start transcribing the audio file.
I want to start off by saying that I know I have an accent, and please don't assume it's Russian. More and more people are complaining.
When you're done, click Show Results to see how well you've done. If you did well in the practice test, then you're ready to take the actual test. The same process applies.
This audio is used for the Transcriber Test at GoTranscript.
When you're done, send it for review. The reviewing process can take up to 60 days. Once the GoTranscript team checks your test, you will get an email letting you know whether you passed or not. Transcribers are alerted through email whenever new tasks or files are added to the system. Here's how the workers portal looks like. The column How Fast shows how fast you will need to complete the file from the moment you take it. The column Transcription Time shows which part you need to transcribe. You will be able to download the whole audio or video file, but you need to transcribe only the part which is shown in that column. The text format can either be clean verbatim or full verbatim. The difference between the two is defined in GoTranscript's guidelines. The timestamping column tells you how you're going to insert timestamps in the transcript. In this case, timestamps should be inserted every time the speaker changes. The audio column shows you the name of the file. You can press the file name to download the audio. The earnings column shows you how much you're going to earn for the portion of the file you are to transcribe. And to take the file, just press the Make My Job button. Take note that you can have only one file. You can't take other files until the current file is finished. For the full review of GoTranscript, read our blog post. The link is in the description below.
Please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. Then click the notification bell. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.